My trip to Bogota, a special Christmas journey by Daniela Mateus Polanco. First destination Barranquilla City. I am preparing to take a trip to Bogota in December and I am planning to spend time with my dad and my paternal family because it is our tradition to spend Christmas together. My first destination is Barranquilla. I am going to the transportation terminal and I am buying a bus ticket from Magangue to Barranquilla. I am staying there for 3 days. I am visiting La Ventana al Mundo, the Malecon, and I'm going to the beach. Flying to Bogota. After that, I am flying from the airport to my final destination, which is Bogota. I am meeting my family there, and we are visiting Monserrate and singing the Christmas links in Cota. With this trip is important to me. I am feeling excited about this trip because the moment I am spending with there are very important to me.